Hi traders, today I want to show you what I'm always using during my scalping sessions. I mainly use the Fibonacci Retracement tool available in TradingView. The Fibonacci Retracement gives you specific levels between two price points, one high price point and one low price point. And these levels in between are commonly used as a support and resistance zone, which is great for scalping. So this is the same point what you saw on the video. So what you want to do is go to the Fibonacci Retracement tool. It's on the left side. And sorry for the microphone quality, by the way, I'm not at home, so I have a travel headset right now. So select that one, go to the lowest price point, and then go to the highest, which is here, because this is one big move up. You can go a bit further to the right, and then you have this. This is just an example, but right here you can see that it respects the levels which are drawn here in the screen. If you want my settings, by the way, just click there once and go to the settings panel. You can make a screenshot or something or pause the video. These are my settings. So this is where I can also take my profits, my profit levels, which are here. But you don't necessarily have to do that. You can also scalp just these swings. And the 0.5 is not a Fibonacci level, but it is quite a respected level, so that's why I keep it in. But where I'm looking for normally is always the 0.618 level of the Fibonacci, because that one is respected a lot. So as you can see here, I drawn the level 0 on top of there, on the bottom, and it just bounces nicely off the 0.618 two times, and after that it just travels up. This is the current price, by the way, so I'm not even literally cherry picking it. What you can also do is, so this is the next swing up, then you can take the lowest point here and go then to the highest point, and then just wait what it's doing. So you can see here it's bouncing nice off the dynamic support level of 0.382 of the Fibonacci tool. So as you can see, it's pretty insane how good this tool works. Yeah, it's just a natural, it's also in the nature, and people respect the Fibonacci tool, and that's why the price is always reacting to it. And yeah, just you have to use this. Please use this in your scalping or trading, swing trading, day trading, whatever you do. Always use this tool. It's really easy to use. In a later video, I can do the trend-based Fibonacci extension, or just ask what you want me to show you. But I think this tool is one of the most important tools to have. So what you can do here, if you see that it gets rejected once here, then you can do it the second time as well. Check what the next candle after the hit does. Is it bullish? Okay, no, well, you can take a long position for a short while. Just scalp a little bit, and just set your stop loss pretty tight. Just make a stop loss right here or something, and take the profit times 1.2 risk reward. It's whatever you want, but it is not that hard to scalp this without indicators. Well, this is sort of an indicator, but not like a MACD or an RSI. You can also use that, but yeah, please use this, learn it, just do it a few times. It's really easy. When I'm drawing in, I did draw this on the 15 minutes, so I'm gonna scalp on the 5 minutes. I always draw my Fibonacci one level above, time frame above. So I could also do it on the daily, but yeah, that really doesn't make sense, because when it gets hit, of course, that's one of the biggest support lines, but for scalping, it's not really worth it to do. But yeah, just you can draw it in here, of course, just a few times. But until it hits here, it's gonna take a while. It probably is never gonna hit it again. I hope, at least. But yeah, I hope you understand it a little bit, and yeah, I hope to see you in the next one. Cheers.